So hey, what is up viewers? Today we are at SAT Examination Center in Delhi NCR, where we'll be capturing the reactions of the students and the experience of the students who went for the SAT 2024 attempt in August. So just make sure you just stay tuned to the last of the video. Don't miss the end because we have taken the reactions of the students who also gave the first attempt and who also have gone for the attempt in August. So in this video, if you find something informative, make sure you drop us a comment, you drop us a like. Thank you. What's your name?
Augusta.
Is this your first attempt?
No, it's my second attempt.
Okay. So like, how was your experience in the second attempt? As well, in the last attempt, the paper was quite easy. As the students were saying, math section is kind of easy. So how difficult did you find it?
It wasn't really that difficult. I mean, it is adaptive testing. So if your first section goes easier, they give more difficult questions in the second section. But it was all in all pretty easy paper, not very difficult.
Okay. So on a scale of 1 to 10, how much would you give the paper?
8 or 9.
So how much time did you take to solve the maths and English sections?
English sections got pretty fast over. I had a lot of time left. Math section, it was lengthy this time.
Okay. So which colleges are you targeting?
I'm targeting Arizona State University, Ohio State, Colorado Schools of Mines, universities like these.
Okay. So how much score are you expecting from this attempt?
Last time I got around 1450. This time I'm expecting about 1500.
So why did you think to like go for the second attempt too? Like in the first attempt you also got 1400 around.
I just because I had a good English score, so I wanted a better math score, so my super score could be above 1500. That's what the target was.
So what tips would you give to the students who are going for the next set attempt?
Just do a lot of question papers. That's the only tip I can give.
Okay, thank you. What is your name?
My name is Arjun.
Okay, so is this your first attempt?
Yeah, this is my first attempt.
So how was the experience of your paper? Did you find it difficult?
I found the English part really difficult. The maths was comparatively easier.
Yeah, because in the last attempt also we asked the students, so maths was like easy. So how much time did you take to solve the paper?
I finished my maths portion 5 to 10 minutes earlier, but I think English, I required some more time.
Okay. So on a scale of 1 to 10, how much rating would you give to the paper in this attempt?
In this attempt, I would give it a 6 or a 7.
Like why so?
I think I did some mistakes in the English portion.
Okay. So how much score are you expecting?
Around 1300.
So which colleges are you targeting?
I'm targeting some colleges in the Canada, UK, and if I get good scores in the SAT, then the US.
So like which tips would you give to the students who are going for the next set attempts or preparation?
Do English really well because that's the hardest part.
So like English was hardest because like in the last attempts also student took less time to solve the whole paper.
Last time?
Yeah.
To solve the whole paper? Okay. I don't know about this time, it was really difficult. Next time, maybe this is my first attempt, that's why it's like this.
So which section did you find difficult? Like reading or the...
Reading, I think, was more difficult. And the module 2 was obviously much more difficult than the first module.
So what was the preparation material were you using?
I was taking some tuitions. I was doing blue prep examinations. So yeah.
Okay, thank you. So dear students, sorry for the interruption between the video, but I want to suggest you a very interesting kind of ebook of SATless. So in this book, what would you find? In this book, you will find the practice papers. In this book, you will find the more information about the SAT examination. As this ebook is specially designed by our team to help the students like who have some doubts related to the SAT examination, because as a student, everything should be clear and clarity in your preparational journey. Like sometimes you can say like confusion is the way to the or clarity, but this kind of confusion isn't about to give you any clarity in your preparation. So make sure you download this ebook. If you find any issue, you can drop us in the comment. Our team shall respond to you quickly. Thank you.
Adesh.
Was this your first attempt?
Yeah,
So how was the paper?
it was very good.
Which section did you find more difficult?
The math section too.
Math sections, like in the last attempt. Okay, in the last attempt we asked the students, so they said the math section was quite easy and the English part was difficult.
This time, for me, the English, both the modules were easy. The math first module was very easy, but the second one was a bit challenging.
So how much score are you expecting from this attempt?
I think 1450 plus.
Okay, so which college are you targeting in SAT?
So my main target is to go abroad in USA, and if not, then I'll apply to some Indian colleges with SAT.
So how much time did you take to solve the paper?
Uh, I finished the English ones on time, and for the math ones, I completed 15 minutes before the time.
So what is the preparation tip would you give to the students who are going from the next SAT attempt?
Just practice on Khan Academy. The topics on Khan Academy, they're very detailed, like explained in great detail, and give a lot of practice tests. All the practice tests available on Blue Book. Just do all that, and you will get a good score.
Okay, thank you. Thanks. What is the name?
Vanya Sharma.
Is this your first attempt?
No, this was my second attempt.
So how was your first attempt like? How much score did you get?
I scored 1316 my first attempt.
Okay, so why did you thought to go for the second one?
I wanted to score more than 1400 so that I would be eligible for more colleges and more scholarships. So,
Okay, so from the last attempt, how different or difficult did you find the paper in this attempt?
I think in my last attempt, the module 2 of English was easier. This time it was harder, but it went well eventually. So,
So how much score are you expecting from this attempt?
hopefully 1400 and above.
Okay, which colleges are you targeting?
Public universities, especially Georgia Tech, that's my dream university.
How much time did you take to solve the paper?
Module 1 of both math and English were done before time, like 10 minutes earlier. But module 2 for both I took all the time that was given.
Okay. So like what are the preparation tip would you give to the students who are going for the next SAT attempt?
Practice as many practice tests given by College Board. The difficulty level, especially for module 2, matches the module 2 in the actual exam. So do as many practice tests possible.
Okay, thank you. That's it. What is the name?
Shabong.
Is this your first attempt?
Second.
So how was your first attempt like? How much score did you get?
I got a score of 1390
So why did you think to go for the second attempt?
because I wanted to get 15 plus, 1500 plus.
So how was your paper like? Which section did you find more difficult?
Module 2s are definitely more difficult.
English, I guess. Yeah, English.
I thought that English would be harder, but it was actually pretty easy. Module 2 maths was also pretty easy this time. Maybe it was because of the preparation. I prepared more, hence I will get more.
How much time did you get to solve the paper?
32 minutes for each module in English and 36 minutes in maths for both modules, like each module.
So which colleges are you targeting?
I'm looking at the UCs, UC Berkeley, UCLAs, and then I'm looking for Arizona State, mainly in West and in West Coast also.
Okay, so what are the preparation tips would you give to the students for going for the next SAT attempt?
Do Khan Academy, do just like study for a long time. I studied for the SATs like for 1 week. This time also and last time also. So that's definitely one of my biggest regrets. Like not biggest regrets, but that's one of my regrets that I didn't study enough that I felt like, but the paper went really well. So yeah.
So like before the paper last night, what was your thought? Like tomorrow is my paper.
That I'm not gonna get well. I'm not gonna like score well. Obviously, there was a lot of anxiety and everything, but then I chose to do one thing, which was like I just made a magical phrase, ki blah 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 blah, and then after that, like when before the exam, I was like blah blah blah. I made that phrase, and then I felt better.
Like you prepared well, so you have like confidence. You know, a little bit of anxiety is that.
The more you prepare, the less anxiety you'll have.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. So viewers, we hope you liked the video. We hope you go here, maybe have got some information related to the preparation of SAT. If you have any doubt related to the SAT examination, then you can just drop us a comment. And the link of the ebook is also mentioned in the description of this video. Make sure you download that ebook. Thank you. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe to our channel and drop us a comment. Love you all.